So here is another question on conditions for solvability of linear equations. So it is given, find the values of k for which the system of equations below they have a unique solution. So it is given x minus ky is equal to 2 and 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So one equation is not in standard form, one equation is already in standard form. So we have to write both of them in standard form. So it is x minus ky minus 2 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So if we compare it with the standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then we'll have the values of a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus k, c1 is equal to minus 2, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to 5. Now we have to find the value of k for which the system of equations they have a unique solution. So for a unique solution, the condition is that a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So it means here a1 by a2 is what? 1 by 3. It should not be equal to b1 by b2, which is minus k by 2. So k should not be equal to, performing cross multiplication, k should not be equal to minus 2 by 3. This is the condition. So what it means? It means for all other values, real values of k other than minus 2 by 3, the system of equations, these two system of equations, it will have a unique solution. If we put k equals to minus 2 by 3, it has other two possibilities, but will not be a unique solution. So it means for all real values other than k equals to minus 2 by 3, for k equals to minus 2 by 3, the above system will have a unique solution. Now let us put k equals to minus 2 by 3 here. Okay, so let us put k equals to minus 2 by 3. So in that case, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 2 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, it is equal to 1 by 3. Sorry. Here it is minus k by minus 2. So if k is equal to minus 2 by 3, it becomes minus of minus. Okay, if we put k is equal to minus 2 by 3, it becomes what? b1 by b2 is what? Minus k by 2, minus k by 2. So it becomes minus of minus 2 by 3 by 2. So it becomes plus 2 by 6 or plus 1 by 3. Okay, so it means here b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 3. Now what is a1 by a2? A1 by A2 is also equal to 1 by 3 here. A1 by A2 is also equal to 1 by 3. So we have A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. So it has two possibilities now. Infinitely many solution when it is equal to C1 by C2, no solution when it is not equal to C1 by C2. Now what is C1 by C2? C1 by C2 is, what is the value of C1, C2? I forgot. It is minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5, yes. C1 is minus 2, C2 is 5. So it is not equal to C1 by C2. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 2 by 5. So C1, it is not equal to C1 by C2. So when we substitute k equals to minus 2 by 3, the above system of equations, they have no solution. Okay, because A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, that is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, but it is not equal to C1 by C2, that is minus 2 by 5. And the original solution, the result which we wanted is for all real values other than, for all other real values of k other than minus 2 by 3, the above system will have a unique solution. Okay, so this is the thing. Hello friends, so here is another question on conditions for solvability of linear equations into variables. So it is given, show that the system of equations which are given below, they have no solution. The equations are 3x minus 5y is equal to 7 and 6x minus 10y is equal to 3. So first, as usual, we'll write the equations first in the standard form, which is 3x minus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 10y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now here the values of the coefficients, they are A1 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to minus 5 and C1 is equal to minus 7. A2 is equal to 6, B2 is equal to minus 10 and C2 is equal to minus 3. Okay, now let us calculate the ratios here. So A1 by A2, that is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 in simpler form. Similarly, B1 by B2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10, which is again equal to 1 by 2 in simpler form. And C1 by C2 is equal to minus 7 by minus 3, equal to 7 by 3. So here we see that we have A1 by A2, which is equal to B1 by B2, the ratio, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. If you remember in the conditions for solvability discussion, if we have this kind of a situation where the ratio of the coefficient of x is equal to the ratio of the coefficient of y, but it is not equal to the ratio of the two constants C1 by C2, in that case the pair of linear equations in two variables, they have no solution. They have no solution. This is the thing. So here we have proved it, we have shown it that through this condition, by calculating the different ratios, we have shown that A1 by A2 is equal to V1 by V2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, but it is not equal to 7 by 3. Okay.